Assalamu alaikum viewers and good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am fine and I hope my viewers are also fine, doing well and good condition and health. I am also perfect and thanks to my love, I think. I also pray for you to Allah Almighty, so Allah give you more healthy, wealthy life, successful life and happy life. And please viewers also pray for me. I hope you're watching my latest video. So guys, the video is over today. I bring some special beautiful crochet neck warmer ideas. So please you must watch my video till the end. All the patterns are very beautiful, stylish, handmade knitting variety. Beautiful pattern, beautiful ideas, mind-blowing pattern. Very nice. Some are simple and some are beautiful, decorated with beautiful crochet flower ideas. Bow-tie style, button-up style, wooden button style. Different ideas. So viewers, like and share my video with your family, friends, sweet cousins, neighbors and your colleagues. Press the bell icon. When you press the bell icon, you will get the notification all of my videos and latest ideas about crocheting work. And good comment in comment section. Like and share my video. If you want more collection about crochet, so please visit my channel. The logo is front of you. Press the bell icon. When you press the bell icon, you will get the notification all of my videos and latest ideas about crocheting work. Very nice. Hopefully like this. Very nice. Beautiful pattern, different colors, different ideas, different style. And you can see almost 40 plus images in this video of crochet neck warmer ideas. So beautiful. Round shape, again square shape, different shapes, different crochet neck warmer ideas. Beautiful ideas, different pattern. Okay viewers, now I have to go. See you again with next video. Allah Hafiz.